You know a baritone has no business doing this song. Ha! Yeah. Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people living as fools.
Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to play.
Mental wounds not healing.
Like a bit of shame.
Going off the rails on a crazy train. Going off the rails on the crazy train. Let's go! I've listened to preachers, I've listened to fools.
I watch all the dropouts who make their own rules.
One person conditioned to rule and control.
The media says it, and you live in a row.
Mental wounds not screaming, driving me insane. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I know that things are going wrong for me.
You gotta listen to my words.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. As of a Cold War, that's what we've become.
The heady troubles I'm mentally numb.
Crazy, I just cannot bear.
I'm living with something that just isn't fair.
Mental wounds not healing. Who and what's to blame? I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Told you baritone had no business doing this song. Who cares? Ha! Welcome to my crazy.